Hello! Today we're gonna do exercise playing with wet on wet and try to let go the fear, and then enjoy the movement. Okay, so this is watercolor paper Arches 140 pound cold press, 7.5 by 11 inches. It's an 1/8 sheet of paper, and I use round 12 brush. I like to do some simple shape, define the shape first, and then having the color to move itself to create some movement and blending. Nice smooth blending effect. Alright, so I'm thinking of Morning Glory. So having circular shape, and I have a little warmer color to begin with. Just have a little bit of color so I know where I'm painting. So that's a wet area, and I have warmer blue, and a little bit darker. Bring it in. Even darker. Just have a little bit of and I want to save the middle area. I'm going to clean the brush, lift color. Yellow. That's kind of nice. Okay. And I can do more. So if I want to overlap, I have to be careful not to touch. But if it touches, that's fine. I think it's interesting. Cooler blue. Darker blue. Yellow in the middle. Here's another one. Yellow in the middle. I'm going to work on the background. Just have some light around the painting. Try not to touch. Sunny, warm day. Okay. And then a little bit of green darker green. Right, and just add purple to green, creates very dark green. Let's get a little bit of details there, here and there. Right. And then skinny brush. Details. Just changing the color around so it doesn't get flat. As long as the color is wet, it blends nice. So kind of have to work fast and see where needs to be worked on, depending on how they are getting dried. Kind of have to move the color quickly if you like to move the colors. That's very nice. Nice and sunny, pretty day. And you can sign at the bottom. Right corner. Not too much details, but just playing with the color. Work quick without too much thinking. If you think too much, that means you're trying to control it. It's impossible to control. So try not to think of controlling it, but just let it go. And if you need to fix it, you need to fix it later. But when it's done, it's done. So that's Morning Glory. This time I'm gonna do fish, so using same technique, wet area, and then add more saturation and then value, something light and warm color. Even more darker. Let's use a small brush and scale. Color blend itself. adding some more colors. You can do whatever, don't have to go back, but I feel like I lost some of the saturation. So I'm just going back and then just get them in. And I can do another fish. Now I'm working on the background, going from lighter color to darker color. Just go everywhere around the fish. Try not to touch the fish, and if you do, that's fine. Color start to blend a little bit, but it doesn't go too far because that fish is getting dried. Just work quickly so you can work with wet on wet. I'm gradually getting darker color and cooler tone and getting close to the fish. Sign at the bottom corner. At the end result, the foreground fish has nice blending and the background color comes into the moistured area on the foreground. Gives abstract effect.